Dear brothers and sisters, in these days we are reflecting on the mission discourse or the instruction Christ gave to disciples as they are sent on a mission. Now these instructions are also to us. And just the disciples do not think your success in a work, like working miracles, casting out demons, will come on a platter. You will face difficulties, right through. You will face persecutions because people will not accept your message. They will, in a way, oppose it. And if you see the church's history right from after Christ's ascension and disciples began their work, there was horrible persecutions up to the Emperor Constantine, where Christians were martyred. So many thousands of them. And the disciples who went around also faced difficulties. So Jesus says, do not think to live or to be a Christian today is not easy, because we have to face opposition from within and from without. Within, because sometimes we think to be a Christian is very easy, but there are fights within us that goes on between what we call the good spirit and the evil spirit. The good spirit is showing us the way to be a truly Christian, to be mission, and the evil spirit is coming and telling us what you are thinking is not true. You see in the life of Ignatius himself, when he was recuperating, there were two forces within him. One, the evil force saying, go back, it says, to your knighthood. Others saying, I'll make a better knight. So always forces within us. Xavier himself, when you see his life as he's making a retreat, he wants to be a good athlete, professional athlete, good name for himself. Other force showing us the better way. So there are forces within, also without, especially those in families, in peer groups, where you find outside influence also influence us. We say we want to live like the others. We want better things, and better things, at the cost of our own values, our own families. Therefore, the Lord says, do not think to live today, Christian life is easy, there are always persecution. Let's think of those who are fighting for truth, for justice. For them, life is tough. We ask Lord to give us the grace to be truly Christian, to live to our values, that we pass these values on to our next generation.